And it begins. Alright, get the Gigabyte gaming motherboard, Ryzen 7800X3d. Got the G.Skills 6000 megahertz DDR5 RAM sticks, 7900 XTX graphics card. These are going to be the new fans. These are RGB, so they're going to light up. That's the controller for it. This is part of the... I just washed the heatsink. It's drying off. All powered by 1200 damn watts, which is a lot. CORSAIR PSU power supply unit. I got some sleeve extensions, which is going to make it look a lot better, but it's going to make cable management in the back a bitch. So yeah, here's the nice before, all going into this case right here, and that's the before. And of course I ran into not so much a problem, but this is the side I wanted to show here, because once you peel these off and it lights up, it looks sick. But the problem is the air goes that way. You see these, it's the air is going to go that way, but I wanted intake right there. So I'm just going to have to flip the fans. Maybe I'll put intake on the top and on the back there. I'm taking that fan out. That's a good fan, but I want RGB fans, so I'm going to have to switch it up a little bit than what I thought, but it's okay. Alright, this is pretty cool. I took the case apart. I did not even know that they put two intake fans down there. So that's pretty cool. I guess I didn't read the specs enough. So I can have air coming up. Oh, I'm going to put these three fans right here, then exhaust there, and then an intake there. Ha! So, out, and then out. And this is the riser cable here. This is actually good quality. You can tell HYTE makes a good case. But cool, that'll work. I was not expecting that. Okay, this is better than I thought. I'm glad these fans were down here. I'm glad it came with that. So basically I got my intake, exhaust, exhaust, exhaust. So that's going to be plenty of airflow. Maybe too much exhaust, but I'll check temperatures once I do it. Alright, I got to put the motherboard in now. Plug that in. I'm looking at this controller for the fan, and of course Lee made it proprietary, so only their fans will work with this. This is for the lighting for the graphics card, and that's not going to work in this controller. I mean, I could still use it, but I'm going to need two separate programs. Thank you, Lee, for making only Lee stuff work with the damn controller. Alright, so I got the motherboard in, fans are in. What the hell am I supposed to do with all this? Oh, wait. Got the power supply in, which is good because the fan is blown that way. Matthew's been busy doing the tedious work. Look how good those look. Heck yes, thanks bud. And we gotta keep going. Keep it moving. And the joys of when you're building a computer. This is the same thing when you're working on a car. It looks good so far, yeah, but I didn't think ahead. I put the CPU cooler on. How am I going to get this graphics card in with that cooler right in the way? Ugh, so now I got to take this back off. Yay. And oh my goodness, it is getting close. Look at all this fun stuff. Yeah, it's a spider web. Okay, I'm ready. Ooh wee. That is pretty sick. We got a post. And trust me, we're not going with this rainbow. There we go. Another one complete. This is sick. Look at the graphics card standing up. Ah. Alright. We are good. Let me at least get the fan spinning. Come on, baby, spin for me. Maybe. It's got to get hot to spin. Huh. It's staying cool in there because of all those fans. There we go. Yep, that looks sick. Alright, completed. Another one down. Got my beer bottle in there, my Liquintus Maximus. Alright, that was a pretty fun build.